So as you can see, my balance now is 15,200. Okay, now that is what I have made from this particular platform. Okay, as you can see, 15,200. So I'm going to place a withdrawal now to see if this particular platform is going to pay me, and if they pay me, then you want to watch, because I'm going to show you how I made this money. Okay, so now I'm going to click on withdraw right now. Okay, let's see now. The minimum withdrawal here is 1,000, and I don't think they charge any withdrawal tax or withdrawal fee. I think they're going to send me all my money, so I'm just going to withdraw all this money here because I don't want to leave anyone, because I'm still expecting more here. Okay, now based on my package, so I'm just going to put in 15,200. so I'm withdrawing it to my OPay, so I should receive this money to my OPay account. Okay, so there are no charges or something, so I'm just going to click on withdraw, and then let's see here. So withdrawal is placed, and please be patient. So I'm just going to wait for them. I will be waiting for OPay to send me a notification. Now it's still pending. Now while I wait for OPay, let me quickly show you how. Okay, first of all, I'm going to wait for OPay to send me this notification, then I will continue this. Okay, so I just got a notification from OPay right now that my account is created successfully. Now, as you can see, this is success. So if I drag this down, you're going to see that 15,000 naira is now available on my OPay. As you can see, account created successfully. Your OPay account has been created with 15,200. So look at it here. Okay, so it just shows that this actually works. So I'm just going to remove this notification right now. Okay, now let me show you how you too can make money on this particular platform. Now, as you can see, it's an investment site, and investment carries risk. So you want to make sure that you have to be a risk taker before you can actually start this, because there is no guarantees. Okay, whatever you're doing here, you are 100% responsible, just like I am 100% responsible. Okay, now they have different packages that's going to make you money. They have the least package is 1,500, which is giving you 150 naira. Okay, every single day. All right, that's what's giving you 150 naira every single day, and the minimum withdrawal is 1,000. Okay, and it's going to be running for 500 days, which is making you 75,000. Now they have more packages, 3,000 naira, giving you 330 naira daily, giving you 165,000 naira in 500 days. It might not last up to that, but if it lasts for like 20 days, 30 days, you have made back your money with more profit. Okay, now they have the one of 5,000, giving you 600 daily. Okay, giving you over 300,000 in 500 days, and 10,000. Okay, they even have up to about 10 million naira. Okay, now this is it here. Don't start so much. Okay, start only something that you can afford to lose, because there is no guarantee. You can start with 3k, 5k, 10k, okay, at most 20k, but only start with something that you know you are sure that it's not going to affect you, because there is no guarantee. Of course, I withdrew from this platform, but it's not still saying that you have to trust it 100%. No, please. Now, this is it here. All you need to do is just click on the package that you want to get started. Click on it. So, for example, I want to get started with 5k. Okay, just click on it now, and then just click on invest now. Okay, you're going to see all the details here. Click on invest now. Sorry, you don't have enough tickets. So now all you need to do is just come back here, and then you're going to choose that 5k, for example, and then you click on deposit. Okay, now look at the instructions. Okay, click on deposits. All right, now use gate one. Okay, gate one, that's the payment gateway, and then just click on it. Now it's going to take you down to the account details where you can make this payment to. And then once you're done making this payment, make sure you read this tip very well. Now come back and then click on have paid. Once you click on have paid, it will now bring you down to this place. So you need to enter here. You need to enter your name. Okay, enter the sender's name, the name on your account. Okay, make sure you enter it, and then after that, click on have paid, and then you are good to go. Now let's go back here. Okay, so I'm going to go back and then show you how. Now the next thing you need to do is just you come back and then activate the package. Okay, you click on home and then activate the particular package that you paid for. Okay, and then afterwards, okay, success. Then afterwards, you just click on it and then activate it. Just click on invest now, and then it will be activated for you. Now you're going to see it running. Now once it runs, you're going to see it on your balance. It's going to reflect on your balance here. Okay, now to withdraw your money, you need to add a bank card first. Very importantly, add your bank card. Now add the bank card and submit it. Now once you submit it, the next thing you need to do is simply you come down here and then you click on my records. and then you're going to see my records and every other thing. Okay, now the next thing you want to do, you can check out their Telegram channel. They have a Telegram channel that you can join. Okay, you can join the Telegram channel so that you can be able to see what's happening, and then if you would like to do this or not. Okay, I think I'm just going to go back. So if you click on this, you can join the Telegram channel. Okay, so this is our Telegram channel here. Okay, you can join the Telegram channel and then you'll be able to see more things about them. Okay, so now let me just go back to the site. So the next thing you want to do here is simple. Okay, you just come back here and then wait for every day your money will actually increase. Now, another thing is you can also refer other people, and when they invest, you earn good money for yourself. Okay, you can earn 50% of your earning if you refer other people to join you. So basically, that's how this platform works. Okay, so you want to give it a try if only you are a risk taker. Remember, there is no guarantee. Okay, anything that has to do with online investment comes with risks. So I'm not giving you any guarantees at all. It worked for me, yes. But then, if you want to do it, only do it what you can afford to lose, okay? Because no guarantees. All right, thank you so much for watching. You can join our Telegram group for more. I will see you in our next video. And of course, bye for now.